performance, there's always a tawalunga, meaning the finale of all finales. So at this point, we don't, our pastor and our head of this youth is not here with us today. So I call upon our lay minister, Mr. Tulifau's youngest daughter, and she's also the youngest of our Mercy. Yes, hauni mai o e whaere tatou taualunga. For all of you that are gathered here today in matrimony, I ask that you take your wallets out. Just $1. That's our tradition. So if you're here supporting this Tafesilafa'i, that's what it means. Take $1 out of your wallet and throw it on the floor, please. If not, I will get the security to come upon you. So don't leave, don't go away, be here for our tawalunga. Yeah, mercy. Saudi mai loa oe sa sa'a le tatou kia le nei pou. Thank you guys for all of you for coming out tonight. We wish you farewell. Drive safe home. We'll see you next year. Same time, same station. Adios. Tawia.